What's up, everybody? My name is Wesley Bauer, and today I'm going to teach you how to quickly, easily, and safely assemble Ramptech's 3-foot quarter pipe.
First, let's go over tools and safety. All you need for this build is a drill. I'm going to be using a high-powered battery drill. You can also use a smaller, less powerful drill. Technically, you can put this together with a screwdriver, but I absolutely do not recommend it. As for safety, glasses or some kind of protective eyewear is highly encouraged when doing any construction. Also, if you're not an adult, parental help and supervision is always recommended. Inside the box, you'll find everything else you need to assemble the ramp. Make sure you double check this list so you know there aren't any missing pieces. You got everything? Awesome. Let's get started. We're going to start by taking 3 side panel pieces and assembling them together. I found the easiest way to do this is by stacking some 2x4s underneath each piece to lift them off the ground, then lining up the 2x4 we're going to be drilling into place with the pre-drilled holes at the bottom of the side panel pieces. Once you have the 2x4 into place, drill it in using the provided 2-inch screws. While I drill these in, I'd like to tell you a little bit about the construction of these side panels. These side panels are not untreated plywood like many other ramp manufacturers sell. They're actually made out of Euroform plywood. That means they're more durable, moisture resistant, and have thin veneers for maximum strength. These things are made to last. Next, lift up your side panels and place the provided shorter 2x4 between the back and middle side panel pieces and drill it into place using the provided pre-drilled holes. Then, repeat this process one more time using the remaining side panel pieces. Remember to make sure the pieces are facing the opposite direction from the one we just built. Next, let's get 3 T-joists built before we begin the frame. You need to place 1 2x2 into the middle of 1 2x4 and drill in 3 3-inch screws evenly spaced out. There are no pre-drilled holes for this one, so make sure you have everything lined up before drilling. Repeat this step 2 more times and we'll be ready to assemble the frame. We're going to start with attaching a 2x4 to the bottom of both side panels. Both side panels have pre-drilled holes so you know exactly where to place each piece of the frame. Make sure the first 2x4 is flush to the rear edges of the side panel before drilling. Next, we'll attach the front 2x4. Make sure you rotate it slightly so it fits flush with the top of the side panels. First, we're going to tilt the frame onto its side. This will allow us to attach the rest of the 2x4s by using downward pressure. This will make drilling much easier. Attach the rear deck 2x4, front deck 2x4, and 2 middle side panel 2x4s. There are pre-drilled holes for each 2x4 that make it easy to locate where the pieces should go. Now, remember those 3 T-joists? Let's grab one of those and get them attached. Next, slowly and carefully flip the ramp to the other side. Drill in the rest of the screws for the frame. The most difficult part is done. Let's flip the ramp back to normal and get on to the next step. Place the deck surface piece onto the top of the ramp and drill in 8 2-inch screws. Make sure the deck is flush with the edges before drilling. Place the coping in the cutout area where it will sit. It should be a snug fit. Make sure you rotate the coping to where the hole that is drilled into it is facing the front edge of the deck. Drill your screws at an angle pointing towards the center of the deck. Grab the upper surface ABS plastic sheet and place it at the top of the ramp flush with the coping. Apply the top screws first and then work your way down. Next, grab the middle ABS plastic sheet and place it flush with the top sheet. Apply your screws at the top and work your way down. Now grab the lower surface ABS plastic sheet. The lower sheet has a slim cut edge. Make sure that edge is facing the ground. Place the top edge flush with the bottom edge of the middle surface plastic sheet and apply the screws at the top and work your way down. While I drill this last surface sheet in, I'd like to tell you a little bit about this ABS plastic material. Each sheet is unbreakable and weatherproof. It's got a grippy surface and will not rot, warp, splinter, or delaminate. The ABS plastic material is extremely strong. Because of this, Ramptech has been able to eliminate the noisy steel plates that are at the bottom of many ramps. The casters go on the rear 2x4s of the frame. There are no pre-drilled holes, so for the first screw on each caster, you may want to take a screw and drill a small hole to get it started. Screw in all 4 and rotate the ramp to get each side so you don't have to lay on the ground. Now, grab that Ramptech sticker, apply it to the ramp, and it's time to skate.